if your engine is running unevenly or even stops running in the middle of idling or needs a lot of gas to run, to make it run unevenly, okay, then what you are going to need is to bleed the fuel lines. For that, you are going to need a number 12 spanner and a rag of some sort and a good thumb to pump over here. Then what you are going to do is you're going to loosen this up. Loosen it up a little bit. Let's see. Well, comes petrol, diesel actually comes out as I'm pumping it. You can even see the bubbles over there coming out. That looks good. Have to keep on pumping it until the only thing that's coming out is diesel. You can see a lot of bubble. There we go. That looks better. That's where the rag comes in. Okay, clean up a little bit over there. Okay, let's loose, fasten it quickly. Okay, clean up. Let's see if that works. As always, don't tighten it too much, especially this one. I think it's some kind of soft metal over there, so it can easily strip. Okay. After I bled it over here, the engine was still not running smoothly. But I knew that because there were bubbles coming out over here, I knew that that was the problem. There were bubbles somewhere in the fuel line. So what I've done is I put it in reverse while it was on the mooring, and I slowly, very slowly started to rev it up to a maximum. And yes, it was about a minute or 2 minutes afterwards. Suddenly I could hear the revs increased quite rapidly. So I switched it off at that time, basically. And afterwards I tested it to see if it would start. It started when it was at 40 degrees. I've got most now this meter over here. It's upside down so that I can see it from the top. In any case, when it was less than 40 degrees, it started, or let's say approximately 40 degrees. That was also a while ago. It's very slightly warm, almost ice cold, whatever. In any case, so I'm going to try and start it now and see what's happening. Okay, so it started very easily. The only question is, how did bubbles get into the fuel line? That is still sort of a mystery, because also it was running smoothly for quite a number of times, and now suddenly there's bubbles in the fuel line. So the question still remains, why did this happen? So most likely it's the pipe leading from the engine to the fuel tank,